Your skincare journey begins with a hidden gem, baby oil. Known for its mild and nourishing properties, it's more than just a baby product. Today, we'll show you how to transform this simple staple into your ultimate glow-up secret, unlocking radiant skin for all types and tones. Step 1. Begin with freshly cleansed, damp skin. Baby oil works best when used as the final step after washing, trapping moisture into your skin. Think of it as sealing and hydration, like wrapping your skin in a soft veil of care and nourishment. Pour a small amount of baby oil into your palm, just a few drops. Warming it between your hands helps distribute the product evenly. The oil's silky texture is designed to glide effortlessly, leaving a natural, radiant glow behind. Step 2. Gently press the warm oil onto your skin using upward motions. Avoid rubbing. Pressing allows your skin to absorb the moisture evenly without irritation. This method ensures a subtle, non-greasy finish perfect for daily wear. Step 3. Don't forget your body. Baby oil makes a luxurious body moisturizer, locking in post-shower hydration for silky smooth skin. Glide it over arms, shoulders, and elbows, wherever you need a boost of radiance. To add a personal twist, mix your baby oil with a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Think lavender for relaxation or jojoba for an extra skin boost. This simple hack elevates your routine, offering a spa-like experience at home. For an overnight glow, apply a few drops before bed as your last skincare step. As you sleep, the oil works to lock in hydration, leaving you with naturally dewy skin by morning. Let baby oil be your Dreamtime secret weapon. Pair your baby oil routine with a good SPF in the morning to protect that newfound glow. Skincare is a balance of nourishment and protection. This step ensures your radiant skin remains healthy and shielded throughout the day. Remember, glowing skin isn't just about products, it's about consistent care. Baby oil is your versatile companion in making self-care simple, effective, and affordable. With just a few mindful minutes a day, you can turn every routine into a rejuvenating ritual. Subscribe to unlock more expert skincare secrets just like this one. Your glow journey begins with small steps, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Let's create a skincare ritual you'll look forward to every single day.